Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to start by opening Clock app. Following that, choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner and tap on those three dots at the top right one. Now click on Settings and adjust all of them under Alarms however you want to. When you finish, go back. Now to create your alarm, select this orange plus icon. Firstly, set up an hour. Then click on Days of the Week to set them up. In my case, Mondays. And maybe Fridays. Now you can tap on the Ringtone section, choose Add New at the top and pick music from your device by tapping on the song and going back. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to click on the back button and choose one of those sounds. Like maybe neon. Then go back again. Over here you can also manage vibrations thanks to this switcher and label your alarm however you wish to. To save your label, tap on OK. Finally, tap on Save at the top right corner to add your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to, you can also delete it by holding it, clicking on the chosen one, and tapping on this pin below it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!